What's up guys, Josh here with JCS Customs bringing you another AWE Track Edition Axleback exhaust video. Super quick video of various sound clips of this exhaust. So if you want to see the unboxing and install process of this exhaust, go check out my fully detailed video. So you see it popping up in the card there. That has everything you possibly think of: specs, unboxing, install, and sound clips as well between stock and after. This video is just sound clips of the AWE Track Edition Axleback exhaust. This is a 2021 Camaro SS if this is first time on the channel. So yeah, not going to spend too much time here. If you end up liking this, go down below, smash that like and subscribe button for me. Yeah, hope you enjoy the clips. See you next time.